Closure looking a little burnt, but
I'm a buff baby, but I dance like a man. She a nice lady and she shaking her yams. Spent the whole summer trapping.
Everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sincerely.Cia. Tricia is my real name. You guys can go ahead and subscribe. I'm not even gonna say all of that. So yeah. So today I'm gonna be bleaching my bundles. I'm gonna start off with the BW2 Clairol Professionals bleach, a bowl, 30 developer from the same brand, Clairol Professionals. Just to let y'all know, I'm not a professional. And one of these little brushes, these dye brushes, a little bowl. It comes with the bleach, the powdered bleach, and my bundles. Let's get it. So I'm gonna start off by just unraveling the bundles so that I can lay them flat on the foil paper. You're gonna see me using the scissors to cut off the rubber band. Normally they wrap the bundles in a rubber band. You know what, I'm not even gonna say all of that. Y'all already know what it's hitting for. Why am I even explaining myself? But yeah, so I'm gonna lay the hair down on the foil paper, comb it out a little bit or whatever. Yeah. Now that my hair is flat, all three bundles, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the bleach, the powdered bleach, and I'm going to put my gloves on first of all, because who wants to burn their skin and their hands and all of that? And yeah, chemicals. So yeah, I'm gonna scoop out a little bit of this little powder bleach. Be careful because it do be flying in your nose. You see that right there? Yeah, exactly. So yeah, I'm gonna put it in the bowl, mix it with some developer, 30 developer, you know, try to get it a little smooth or whatever. Mix it. Yeah. So we're gonna mix it like a paste. I mean, it really doesn't even matter, to be honest, because the whole closure is going to be dyed within itself. So it makes no sense to even, I don't even know why I did that. But yeah, I'm gonna let y'all watch the rest of this process. So here y'all see me showing y'all the closure or whatever, and I'm gonna start by bleaching the knots. So yeah, y'all see that, bleaching the knots or whatever. At this point, I've already told y'all that I'm already bleaching this hair, so I don't even know why I've even gotta repeat myself. Like, hold on, y'all gonna make me repeat myself for real? So yeah, like I'm bleaching the hair or whatever. I'll be back because this is a long process. So if you want to skip, you could skip, but yeah, if you know how to bleach like a professional, skip the video to the end or whatever. Like, what? Alright, I'm back, and I already done bleached all three of the bundles plus closure. You're looking a little burnt. We'll see how it's gonna come out at the end, because burnt crispy who? Professional what? Now we got a bleach closure. I washed it off camera because that's mad work to bring it to the bathroom. Boom. Who that with this orange hair? Orangish, brownish. Yeah, so we're gonna start styling this hair. We're gonna make this into a middle part, or a who part, a what part. I'm gonna spray it with a little bit of water, brush that girl back or whatever. Yeah, middle part who, middle part what. Let's just make this middle part a little straight. Alright, before y'all start coming from my neck about these low-key baby hairs, low-key plucking, I just want y'all to know I can't pluck baby hairs or pluck the hairline to look like my own hairline. I be scared to overpluck. So you know what? We're gonna just do what it do what it does, and just pluck a little bit of who, what, where, when, why, and see how it come out. Yeah, there's no difference. So we just gonna style it with the flat iron, which was a bad idea because I didn't even like this hair straight. I ended up actually curling this hair with the curling wand. So just enjoy me straightening this hair for no reason and wasting my dang time for like how many hours? Like, I don't even know how long this straightening took. And it didn't take that long because I didn't straighten it properly. But who cares? Because I knew eventually I was going to curl it. Boom! Hold on. Temporarily straight who? Yeah. Let's get that middle part as flat as possible. What's flatter than my pancake booty? Now, this is an attempt, emphasis on the attempt, to do a little bit of baby hairs or whatever on this thick hairline. We're gonna just cut the little hairs in the front a little short. It's not like I even know how to do this, but just keep watching. Like, why not watch just for the commentary? Like, come on, what is you doing? Boom. Yes, sir. Whoa, look at the back of that hair. We're not even gonna look at that. We're just gonna look at the front. Yeah. I love the way the color came out. This is like the best color that I did like ever, and I thought that the bleach was gonna fry the hair off, but it actually didn't, so that's a plus. The hair curls great. It takes bleach really good, but the way I bleached it, I felt like I over bleached it, but everything turned out good. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.
I'm a buff baby, but I dance like a man. She a nice lady and she shaking her ass. Spent the whole summer trapping.